How to fix WhatsApp login problem. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today without any delay. Let's jump right in. First, open Play Store on your device and search 1111 and install 111 VPN. After it's installed, open the app. You'll find this kind of screen pop up. Simply turn it on. Make sure the circle is on the right side. Make sure it's connected. After your VPN is connected, open WhatsApp, enter your phone number, and press on Next. After that, go to Account, click on Go to Account, and you will be logged into your WhatsApp account. This is how to fix WhatsApp login problem. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.